Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video, I found out something awesome. Now, it's a tutorial, so let's get into it. So, have you ever wondered if you could connect your computer to your TV? Well, it is possible. First, what you will need is computer, TV, and the HDMI cord. Now, like, if you have TV, it'll probably be in there. So, what you gotta do is, plug the one end of the HDMI cord into your computer. If I can, because let's just take it out. There we go. And see, I have it in. Put in the HDMI slots, and also take the other end. So I'll have to pause the video just so I can put it in, but I'll show you a little bit. So you'll see these like HDMI thing, and you'll see slot 1, slot 2, slot 3. Pick one of them. So yeah, I'll pick 2. So I'll be right back when that's done. Okay, it's done. I put it into slot 2 of HDMI, and so what you want to do with the TV is, with that slot, you're going to want to go to the one you selected. So I selected HDMI 2. There'll be HDMI 1, 2, and 3. Well, I picked 2, so yeah, I'll go there. Boom! Or wait, what? Okay, it is connected. As you can see, this is my background of my computer. See? There. And basically, you can do anything you want on your computer and also on your TV. I know this was a short video, but because it's so easy. Just, if you got these things, you can do it in a snap. I'm going... No. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you need me to do anything else. I'll probably get to it. So, bye!